Kia ora, ko Sionvoli mo te maunga, ko Mortain te awa, ko Wiwi te iwi, ko Roland Raga ko Mahiku o Kumatua, ko Raphael toko ingoa. Tēnā koutou katoa. For me, a Pepeha is a tribal statement that allows people who are listening to you to draw connections to you through whakapapa. But a Pepeha also emphasizes the importance of the spiritual connection to landmarks, mauna, tuke, awa, moana, where we grow up. And it's especially true for people who may not know their tribal affiliations and for non-Māori. Like the Danish anthropologist Fritz Johansen wrote 80 years ago, the whole Maori cosmos unfolds itself in a gigantic kin to which people and animals all belong. So the Pepeha allows you to make these connections with your kin. Tēnā koutou katoa.